Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are doing word match. So we have a word bank at the bottom of our page, and we are going to match these words to their picture. Let's read our first word. J-A-G, jog. We now want to find a picture that represents jog. A jog is like a slow run. Jog. I see a girl here and she is starting to jog. Please write jog. J A G. Jog. And I like to cross it off when I'm done so I remember I did that word. My next word is box. B-A-X. Box. Please find a picture of a box and write box next to that picture. Up here at the top. B-A-X. Box. Cross it off when you're done. Our next word is hog. H-A-G. Hog. Hog is another word for pig. Right here at the bottom, I see hog. A-G. Hog. Cross it off when you're done. Our next word is pod. P-A-D. Pod. I'm looking for peas in a pod. Up here at the top, I see peas in a pod. Pod. P-A-D. Pod. Cross it off when you're done. Our next word is cot. K-A-T. Cot. Cot is like a fold-up bed you can use while you're camping. Cot. Down here at the bottom. K-A-T. Cot. Cross it off when you're done to stay organized. Our next word is hot. H-A-T. Hot. Oh, I see a picture of a girl standing outside under the sun and it's so hot. H-A-T. Hot. Cross off hot when we're done. Our next word is dog. D-A-G. Dog. Please find picture of dog and write dog. D-A-G. Dog. Cross it off. And our last word is log. O-A-G. Log. Please write log. O-A-G. Log. Cross it off when we're done. Way to go, boys and girls. Flip over your page. All right, my friends, we are doing vowels and consonants. Now remember, vowels, we have 5 vowels in our alphabet. A, E, I, O, U. And all the other letters are consonants. Today you will need a red crayon and a blue crayon and your pencil. Please gather your materials. The first word we're going to do today is the word box. B-O-X, box. Please write box using your pencil. B-O-X, box. Now, pick up your red crayon and we are going to color the vowel in the word box. So just like this, you're going to color the vowel red. O is a vowel. Now pick up your blue crayon and we're going to color the other two letters, B and X. We're going to color them blue because they are consonants. Nicely done. Our next word is the word rip. R-I-P, rip. Please, with your pencil, write the word rip. R-I-P, rip. With your red crayon, we're going to color our vowel. And look up here at the top, friends, there's a little reminder. A, E, I, O, and U are vowels. So we're going to color that I. I says I, and that is our vowel. With our blue crayon, we're going to color the consonants blue. R is a consonant, and P is a consonant. Our next word is top. T-O-P, top. With your pencil, please write top. T-O-P, top. With our red crayon, we are going to color the vowel. Our vowel is O. Short O says aw. With our blue crayon, we're going to color our consonants. T is a consonant, and P is a consonant. Our next word is cat. K-A-T, cat. With your pencil, please write cat. K-A-T, cat. With our red crayon, please pick up your red crayon and color the vowel in the word cat. A is our vowel. Short A says ah. Ah. With our blue crayon, we're going to color the consonants. C is a consonant, and T is a consonant. Our next word is dog. D-O-G. With your pencil, please write dog. D-O-G. Dog. With your red crayon, please color the vowel. The vowel is O. Short O says aw. Aw. With your blue crayon, please color the consonants. D is a consonant, and G is a consonant. Our next word is the word pot. P-O-T, pot. With your pencil, please write pot. P-O-T, pot. With your red crayon, please color the vowel. O is our vowel. Short O says ah. With our blue crayon, please color the consonants. P is a consonant and T is a consonant. Our next word is hop. H, A, P, hop. With your pencil, please write hop. H, A, P, hop. With your red crayon, please color the vowel in hop. O says ah and is our vowel. H is a consonant, so I'm going to color it blue. And P is a consonant, so I'm going to color it blue. Our next word is sit. S, I, T, sit. With my red crayon, I'm going to color the vowel. My vowel is I in this word. I says I. My other two are consonants. S is a consonant and T, T is a consonant. Our next word is log. L-O-G. Log. Please write log. O-A-G. Log. With your red crayon, please color the vowel red. O is our vowel. O says ah. And with our blue crayon, please color the consonants. L, O is a consonant, and G, G is a consonant. Our last word is mat. At, mat. At, mat. Our vowel in the word mat is the letter A. A says ah. With my blue crayon, I'm going to color the M, because it's a consonant, and my T, blue, because it's a consonant. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great.